Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got an interesting question asking if mold on the baseboard could be coming or be caused by the crawl space. Stay tuned. Okay, so guess what? Since your house is over your crawl space, everything about the house can be affected by the crawl space. The humidity, mold, if you have mold in the crawl space, it can affect not only the baseboard, but it can affect every part of the house. But what we have seen is that if you've got baseboard, a lot of times, especially around a vent or a register that's blowing air from the crawl space, you can get a lot of high humidity coming out of that vent, and it'll blow high humidity on all of the surrounding walls, including the baseboard. So if you got high humidity blowing on the walls, those walls can get damp and then grow mold. You can also take high humidity up through the sill plate and the rim joist, okay? So where the rim joist is above the sill plate, high humidity can get trapped up behind there and go up the wall and creep out from underneath the baseboard. So those are a couple different ways that the crawl space could affect the living space, especially the baseboard, and cause mold to grow. So what you want to do is you want to make sure, first of all, to control humidity in the crawl space. Remember, if you get the humidity down in the crawl space, it will affect the rest of the living space. So putting in a good dehumidifier like the Aprilaire 1830 or 1850 or the 1820, if you got a short crawl space, is a great way to control humidity. Then you want to disinfect the mold down there so that it's not affecting the living space. So if you find yourself with mold on the baseboard, don't just think it's coming from that space. Check down in the crawl space or even the basement if you've got a basement below that room. So I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.